Sup, Kid here with another unboxing video, this time with this Arteck Universal 2.4G USB wireless and Bluetooth mouse. Here's the back. Sides, nothing much. Alright, so here's the mouse. Pretty nice. The scroll wheel feels very smooth to use. That's great. Let's see, we have this on off section. We got 3 buttons on the side here, 2 buttons here, this button, and then the middle one can be clicked. Nothing much. Let's take a look at down here. Okay, so we got this dongle. Oh, it looks like it's chargeable via USB-C. And yeah, that's basically it. Okay. Let's put this back. Let's take a look at what else is inside the box. So we got the USB-C charging cable. We got this thing, which tells you your warranty and some other social media stuff. Then we got the user manual here. So let's go ahead and take a look. And here's the back side. This looks like it's in Japanese. Alrighty, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.